Welcome to B-Stride DIY. I'm Brian at Harbor Freight Tools, and I'm going to show you their summer super coupon deals going on now. They also have a Father's Day sale with three great deals: 10% off any single item over $50, $20 to $50, 15% off the item, 30% off items under $20. And that starts Friday the 14th. And they already have started for Inside Track Club members. And make sure to stay till the end so I can show you the instant savings deals. So first up, we have the Bauer deals here. This is that same deal where you buy the battery and charger from Bauer and you get the free tool. So these are just some of the 20-volt lithium tools they have here with the brad nailers, and these are some of the other brands here. Now Fortress has a deal where you buy a compressor for $3.99. This is one of their large compressors, but you get an air impact wrench for free. So these are some of the impact wrenches, and that's a $119 value. And this is that air compressor, the 200 PSI Fortress air compressor. Now these instant savings coupons, I wish they just had them in store. That would be a lot easier, but you kind of have to look them up on your own. So this is the Bauer 20-volt 6.5-inch circular saw for $49.99, but with the coupon it's going to be $39.99. So you can just pull that up on your phone. You can buy it online or in store. Now this is the Bauer jigsaw here. This is one of the free tools you'll get if you buy the battery and charger deal here. It has 3 cut speeds. This is $44, but you'd get the tool free if you get the battery and charger. And in the next aisle here, this is the 3-ton heavy-duty Pittsburgh floor jack with rapid pump. So it's actually not $139, it's $109.99. So this is what it looks like here with that long handle. And they had a few different kinds here, but this was the rapid jack floor pump. Next up, they had the Admiral Advantage 12-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. So it does have an LED light, a powerful 15-amp motor, and it says $239. It's actually going to be $199, so that's going to be the savings you're getting with that coupon. So it does mention that the 12-inch blade is not included. So that's one downside, but it does have the extension tables, and it also has an LED work light as well in addition to the laser light. So that's pretty neat. And I didn't even see this, it was up above, so I could have shown you this, but it says 6.5-inch crown molding capacity, 5.5-inch vertical baseboard capacity. It did seem put together pretty well. It seems solid, not like cheap plastic. So that's a plus. And in my store, they were doing a lot of restocking, so that's a plus as well. So this is an instant savings on the Warrior 4.3 amp angle grinder for $9.99. It says grinding wheels sold separately. So keep that in mind, but the grinding wheels were kind of up above here, and those were instant savings as well. And they were $4.99 it looks like. And you were saving 37% on those, and they were stocked up well if you're interested in the Warrior brand. Now this is from Hercules. You get this tool free when you buy the battery and charger for $99. So y'all probably already know about that. That's similar to the Bauer deal. The Bauer deal is $89 and the Hercules is $99. So it's just a difference of $10 just depending on which brand you like more and which kind of tools you have more as well in your arsenal. Next up, we've got this trigger spray nozzle from Greenwood. I think it's $5.99, but with the coupon it's going to be $3.99. And just remember to use these coupons, guys, because they're there to save you money. And if you're not in the Inside Track Club, you kind of need whatever you can get there. And this is the Portland Electric 3-in-1 blower, vacuum, and mulcher. So it's $47.99. Comes with everything listed here and shown as well as a little bag. It's $39.99 though with the coupon. And then they had it up above as well on display. The end of it does look a lot smaller than the Atlas brand, but I guess it's still pretty powerful. I think it said over 150 miles per hour is what I read as far as the output. Now this is the Maddox tools here. Now this said spend $50 on Maddox products and get a Pittsburgh Automotive plastic fastener kit for free. And that's a 240-piece kit. Now to be truthful, I didn't see the kit, so you might have to ask someone, hey, where's this kit, And this is a Viking 4-amp battery charger and maintainer. It's $39.99, but with the coupon it's going to be $10 off, so $29.99. And they're showing it for use with boats, cars, buses. This is all the things that it comes with. So the charging cables, the jumper cables, A bad battery indicator, 6 feet of 18 gauge cables with alligator clips, and the eyelet attachments, which is nice. And then next we have this Drummond 3/4 horsepower submersible utility pump. Is a stainless steel one here, has a 25-foot hose, and it was $189.99, and it's going to be $159 with the coupon here. And it says it can extract 4,400 gallons per hour as well. Now this is the 6-gallon wet dry vac from Bauer. It's now $44.99. So that's just it compared to the 9-gallon. This is the 6-gallon here. It's got the nice wheels. You can wheel along, of course. And it was $54.99. Now they had a 6-pack detailing brush set for $2.99. Although with the coupon, it's going to be $1.99. So they have the steel brush for rust and metal, the brass more for metal, and the nylon for tile. They did have a 3-pack next to it, but it's actually cheaper now to get the 6-pack. So this is like a contractor pack. It's a 10-pack of electrical tape. I think it's 60 feet. Each roll, I want to say it's $6.99, but it's going to be $4.99 with this coupon deal here. And these are pretty big here. Now this here is the 43cc 2-stroke gas-powered cultivator for $219, although it's going to be $189.99 with the coupon deal. And this is what it looks like here, the nice startup and the gas cap on the top, and the nice red color as well. So these are the 18-pack of the AAA Thunderbolt Edge batteries for $509. They were $749. And then underneath here, they did have some instant savings deals for $549 on all these multiple packages of their alkaline batteries in different sizes, AAA, AA, C. So a good time to pick up some batteries if you're in need. They did have some battery chargers off to the left as well that were just plug-in chargers. Now take a look at this Atlas mower. It's a self-propelled mower for $269. So I was thinking, that's not a horrible price. It's a battery-powered mower. You know, we can maybe use the Father's Day deal on it. You'd get 10% off. So it's like $26 off, $27 off. It's a solid mower. Now, when I saw this, though, it said doesn't come with battery. I was like, okay, well, let me look at the battery. It's an 80-volt battery, and the battery's like $250. So at that point, I was like, yeah, I don't know about that. Although the mower itself is a good price, but the battery is very high. So this is the Instant Savings paint tray deal. It's a 9-piece set for $9. And that's a pretty good deal because I think these rollers by themselves were like $3.99. So you're getting a pretty good deal. Under $10 if you just have to do a quick paint touch-up project. Now these are instant savings for $2.99 on 6-ounce stubby claw hammers. So these are the little type hammers like this. And they had these well stocked. They were, as you can see here, they had all these hammers right here. So now this is the Franklin moving blanket, 40 by 72 inches for over $5, and it's $3.99 with this coupon here. So they have these in black and in blue as well. I did only see the black here, but I guess color doesn't really matter too much. And next up we have this liquid transfer pump. They have it in store for $12, and then with the coupon here it's going to be $7.49. And you can use this for all different things, gas, water, transferring fluids basically, you know, to a lower level to a higher level if you don't have a funnel or something like that. And you do need to use that savings coupon to get the $7 deal. So this is an instant savings on Bondo for $11. And you can use Bondo, you know what it's for. You can use it for car and home just to fill up whatever you need to here. They did have the glass one on the right, but that was twice as much, or it wasn't an instant savings. So they had this 1/4-ton lever chain hoist for $69. Although with the deal here, it's going to be $54.99. It's for vertical lifting, horizontal pulling, or stretching. And they did have the 1.5-ton lever chain hoist for $109, but you had to be the Inside Track Club to get that deal. So just keep that in mind there. Now this is another instant savings deal on these 50-foot standard garden hoses. So they're $20. I think that's saying it's under 10% off. But this is what they look like. They've got the nice end here with that rubber end. and they're the green and yellow hose here. In the tag it says 3/4 of an inch. This says 5/8 of an inch, but these were all around here and I didn't see any 3/4 of an inch ones. So now these are instant savings through August. So you got some duct tape, pigskin leather gloves, 20 bin storage, 1,000-pound ratcheting straps, a multi-tool for $15, some shanks, some 3/8 of an inch drives, cushion grip screwdriver set, magnetic hooks, SAE and metric socket sets for $17, alkaline batteries for $5.49. I showed you those, the 2-ton trolley jack, the multi-cutoff wheels. I think I showed you those because those are the Warrior ones. The nailer stapler for $24, a tarp, the 7-piece ratcheting combo set, 5-outlet magnetic hanging housing there with 2 USB ports for $27, the angle grinder for $9.99, TV mount for $19, 50-foot garden hose for $20, and then the microfiber cloths. Now this is a Hercules 15-amp 42-pound lower wall breaker hammer for $4.99, but it's going to be $3.99 with the coupon deal. And check out next this Home Depot Father's Day deal video. I go into depth as far as their sales and savings and free tool deals as well.